what day is it? It's Monday, but it's bank holiday. I've got quite a bit of work to get done for that project that is due in Wednesday morning, but heading out on a walk now, so I thought I'd show you what I'm wearing. It's quite actually hard to balance, but I have on my really fun shoes today. I have still a big jacket on because it's kind of still a little bit chilly. Usual jacket I wear all the time, my fiddlehead hoodie, this really lovely skirt that I thrifted maybe last year, and I have on my 𝖬𝖾 clogs, which are so fun, and my APC bag that I wear all the time. I'm excited to wear these out and see how I get on with them. I'm sure they're going to be fine. They feel super comfy. Yeah, but that is what I'm wearing now today. Doing a pop-up here. She makes all these like handmade dog and cat stuff. So cute.
I think so, yeah. I go set them up there. Yes. Isn't it? It's a very good.
So cute. Poop bags. Lovely colours. Everything's handmade as well. So fun. These are cat collars. If I had a cat, I'm gonna ask her, is it online? So cute. Catnip toys. This is the details here. So cute. And she ships international as well if you want to check it out. So cute. There's more stuff. I've just seen these candle holders, so I think I'm going to get these because they're really heavy. So I think they'd be lovely, especially if we have like outdoors over the summer. And then these amazing electric blue storage holders, which are so handy. So yeah, I'm gonna get this stuff. These are really nice too, little stripy bottles. Nice. Hello Kitty fans. I wanted all. I also found my case for €1 again, so I'm getting that. So I'm just back from being out, and I thought I'd just quickly show you what I got while I was out. I think I was showing you, I got these two storage boxes in Pennies or Primark. They're only $1.50 each, but I really like the electric blue color, and I love these kind of things for like throwing like my keys in or putting sunglasses in, scrunchies, everything like that. So I always pick them up because you can never have too much storage. Even like doing markets, it's really handy to have like little storage like this. I got this, which I actually have on my phone at the moment. It's from Pennies. I try not to shop like clothing in Pennies, but sometimes if we're going through the home section and I see stuff, I'm like, oh. So I got this Hello Kitty phone cover. I think it's an iPhone 14, but I'd say it will fit my 15. But anyway, just in case I ever lose the cover I have on at the moment, here's another one because it was only €1 and reduced from €7, and it is so cute. Then what else? I got those two candle holders. I already have them downstairs, but they're like these pink ones that I showed you. And I just think like over the summer, if we have friends over and I have like lovely coloured candles, like I kind of collect candle holders, I suppose. I always just imagine like some kind of dinner or lunch in the garden kind of scenario where I'd have like all these lovely candles. So that dropped into Stelldiliston and green because the project I'm working on for Wednesday, I need to like do a little bit of painting, like hand painting. So I got these two really pretty colours, acrylic paints, this kind of pastel pink and this metallic pink, and a paintbrush, and I just thought that would be really nice just to add some little details. Stelldiliston and green is another one of those stores that you go in and you're like, I want everything. And then also I dropped into that little pop-up that I showed you with this designer that makes all these like handmade pieces for like cats and dogs. Really cute stuff. And she said she's online if you wanted to check out her website. I think I left her details in a previous clip. But I bought one of her collars and I was like, I think I'll just wear this. This is supposed to be like a, I don't know if it's like a pet collar, but I just thought it was really cute and I loved the colorway on it. So I was like, I think I'm gonna wear this myself for like summer. Yeah, I just think that's really nice. I love kind of fun necklaces for layering, so I got that off her, and that's her brand there, Acid Witch, so that's lovely. So yeah, that's my bank holiday Monday. I've got some work to get done now, so nothing interesting is going to happen for the rest of the day. Just going to make some food and chill. So I will see you in a bit. Good morning. It is Saturday. It's quite early. I've just done my makeup and I'm getting ready. I'm doing the market today, which I'm looking forward to this weekend. It's on Saturday and Sunday. I think I only have a space for today, so I'm probably only going to do today, which is unfortunate, but the market is like in super high demand because it's so popular. So we'll see how we get on anyway. Because markets are such an early start, I always plan my outfit the night before. So I'll show you what I'm wearing. It's quite warm today. And I'll be indoors, so I know I'm going to be warm enough in this outfit. Okay, so I'm wearing thrifted, well, everything's thrifted, but this little polka dot top, skirt is thrifted, and I also did an alteration job on it a while ago. And then I'm going to wear a belt. But yeah, that's what I'm thinking for my outfit. And then I have actually on some boots and some long socks. I got these and they have the ribbon on from when I did the electric picnic event last year, which is really fun. I have my yellow sunnies and my pink cap. So that's going to be my outfit for the market. So yeah, I'm going to get ready, head in, and then we'll film what we can. We're in there, I'll probably film like the setup and yeah, see how the day goes, and if I have a bit of time I'll bring you around the market as well. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm just taking a quick break to get a coffee, which I never do, but I need to have a coffee for the day. So I just have my band tee on when I'm setting everything up because I'll be really sweaty, but everything's nearly set up. I've done all my pricing, so yeah, it's going to be really exciting. And it's Fibs for a Fest this weekend, which means it should be a really good buzz. So let's get a coffee and go back and I'll show you my setup. Just still setting up. My setups, cute little hat. Just got changed. Wearing my boots. This is the stall. Outside. So I'm all set up, just walking around outside just before everything kicks off. It's such a beautiful day. So this is my stand. I've got like a kind of a summery rail here. Decided to sell this jumper because I had to do a clear out, and I was like, right, I have too much stuff. But yeah, lots of really fun colourful bits for the summer. This is so pretty. It's like a two-piece. And then I have jackets here. I don't know if it was too warm to bring them, but I did anyway. Yeah. So that is me set up for today. Okay, it is Sunday morning and I'm just heading to the market day 2. I'm just going to put on my jacket. This is the outfit for today. This beautiful beaded sequin skirt, thrifted. This amazing jacket with all this bead detail. I got this in my friend's shop, Finders Keepers. I'll leave her shop here. And then I'm actually wearing my stellDilistos today with some really fun socks. And that is going to be today's outfit. I'll show you properly when I get there too. But I gotta run now. On my way to day 2 of the market. Tried to get a coffee there, but the coffee machine wasn't working, so no coffee. Anyway, I'm gonna go in, rejig because I have to move my stall over to another place. And get set up. I've got around an hour and a half, so I should be okay. I love that. Okay, I'm all set up at the market. It's so busy downstairs that I always get nervous trying to film around people. But anyway, this is the outfit. Amazing Finders Keepers jacket that I got. Look at all the beaded detail in their shop. So pretty. My silver bag, I had this yesterday. It has all my stuff I need. This really cute beaded skirt that I got in a charity shop. Then I have my clogs on with some see-through socks. That is today's outfit. Fingers crossed the market goes really well.
the bathroom. I literally have not had a minute to even run around and show you much today. I was on my own, so I literally only had a coffee at 4 o'clock. I've been here since 9:30, I think. I got some cute socks. I will show you those socks here. The girls next to me were selling these really cute socks. So I got Hello Kitty socks. Of course, could not resist. So cute. So I'm definitely going to be wearing them right when I'm going to the bathroom.